In this video, we are going to see easy method to solve 3 cross 3 magic square number from 1 to 9. A 3 cross 3 magic square is a square grid containing the numbers from 1 to 9 in such a way that the sum of each row, column and diagonal has the same number. That only we are going to see it here. Here, for example, we have taken the number from 1 to 9. Number from 1 to 9. First write the number in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you find out which number is the middle number. Here, the 5 is the middle number. That 5 should be multiplied by 3 because we are taking 3 cross 3 magic square. So, 3 should be multiplied. So, 5 3s are 15. So, each row total should be 15. Each column the total should be 15. Each diagonal should be 15. So, now the example you can see 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15. Here 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15. 4 plus 9 plus 2 15. Column wise 6 plus 7 plus 2 15. Here also 15. Here also 15. Each column is 15. Diagonally you just add. This is diagonal number 3 numbers add, you will get 15. This is diagonal 4 plus 5 plus 6 also 15. Now how to fill up this 3 cross 3 table, that only we are going to see. First number you should write in the first row in the middle box. So 1. Second number you should write diagonally, but here there is no box in the diagonal. So what you have to do, you have to come right side and to the last column, the last box you put number 2. 3 you should go diagonally. Always you should write the number diagonally, but here there is no box to put the number. So what you have to do, come left and last box you put the number 3. 4 you should go diagonally, but already number 1 is occupied there. So you cannot place it 4. So you should come down. So 4 you have to place it here. 5 you can go diagonally, the place is vacant. 6 you can go diagonally. Again 7. 7 you cannot place it because there is no box. So you should come down. So 7 you can put it here. 8 you have to go diagonally, no box is there, so come to left. 8. Now one number is left out, 9. You put it here. Now add and check it. 8 plus 1 plus 6 15. 3 plus 5 plus 7 15. 4 plus 9 plus 2 15. Like that. Down also it will be 15. Diagonal also it will be 15. So this method you have to remember to fill up the 3 cross 3 magic square. Now we will see the second example. Here the numbers from 46 to 54. First, as per the rule, you should write the number in order. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. What is the middle number? 50 is the middle number. So middle number should be multiplied by 3 because we have 3 boxes in each row. So 53s are 150. So the total should come 150. Each row total should be 150. Each column also the total should be 150. Each column 150. Diagonally also it should be 150. Okay. Each column 150. Each row 150. Each diagonal is also 150. How to fill up this table 3 cross 3? Now first number is 46. Always you put the first number in the first row middle. 46 you should write in the middle. Then 47 you should write diagonally, but here there is no box. So you should come down and write 47. The last column write 47. 48 you should go diagonally, but here there is no box is available. So what you have to do, you come left and the last box you put 48. 47 is solved. 48, 49 you should go diagonally, but already 46 is there, so you cannot put it there, so you should come down. 49, 49, 50, diagonally you can go. 51 diagonally go. 52 you should go diagonally, but there is no box, so you can come down, and 52 you can place it there. 53 you have to go diagonally, but there is no place, so you can go down, go left, and last box you put 53. Now last one number is left out, that last number you place it here, 54. Now you check, you can add all the three numbers. In the first row you will get 150, the second row you add 150, the third you can get 150. So just add and check it. 49, 54, 47. 49, 54, 47. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Like that, diagonally also you can check it. 53, 50, 47. The total should be 150. 150. This diagonally if you add, you will get 150. Now let us see the another one example. Here the numbers from 42 to 50. Always you should take continuously the number. 42, 43, 44, all the numbers up to 50. If you count, there will be 9 numbers, because 9 boxes are there. So you should select the number in such a way. Continuity should be there. 42 to 50, 9 numbers are there. So write all the numbers in order. Which number comes in the middle? So here the middle number is 46. 46 should be multiplied by 3. That is 138. So each row should be 138. Each column is 138. And diagonally if you add, you should get 138. Diagonally if you add, also 130. How to place the number in this 3 cross 3 magic square? First number is 42. So 42, always first row in the middle box you put 42. When you place the number, you should go diagonally, I told you. So here there is no box is available, so you should come down and put the number in the last box. 43. 44 you should go diagonally, but here there is no box, so you should come left and you put 44. 45 you should go diagonally, but already 42 is there in that place, so you should come down. 45, 46, diagonally you can go. 47, 48 you cannot go diagonally, so one place down and put 48. 49 you should go diagonally, but here there is no box is available, so you should come left, and here you put 49. Now last number, that is 50, you place it here. Now you can check the answer. 49 plus 42 plus here 47, you will get 138. 49, 42, 47. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 carry. 4 plus 4 plus 8, 12 plus 1, 13. 138. In diagonally also it will come 138. Diagonally if you add, it will come 138. The column wise, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 1 carry. 12 plus 1, 13. 138. So each column is 138. Each row is 138. Diagonally is also 138. So in this way you can complete 3 cross 3 square easily. Thank you.